Hello everyone, today I'm taking this video just want to share you my idea about using our tablecloths, our DIY ruffle string table skirt and some of our flower and candle material to make the decorations. Okay, now let's get it started. Okay, first of all, let's put on our tablecloths. Okay, look, this is the effect after we put on the tablecloth. Actually, it's just a piece of fabric. The next step, let's put on our table clip. Okay, look, put the clip around the table. Okay, now let's put on our ruffle string table skirt. Look, this is the effect after we put on the table skirt. If you want to know the step-by-step tutorial about how to make the ruffle string table skirt, you can click here for the tutorial. And if you want the string much more full than this one, you can add more string on the ribbon will be okay. Click here for the tutorial. Okay, now let's make some flower arrangement. Okay, making the flower ball. Normally we will use our plastic slide, but this time we will use this floral foam because it could help to make the flower ball larger. Very simple, just use our flower head and our saucepan. Put them together. And insert on the flower foam. Okay, I will show you the effect after complete. Okay, completed. Look at this. I make 3 hard-ball flower arrangements using the floral foam and our saucepan together with the flower head could make a larger flower ball. Compare with the flower ball made with the plastic slide. Look, let's check the size difference. So this one made with our plastic slide and this one made with our floral foam. So this is the size difference. Okay, now let's use this flower arrangement to decorate our table. Okay, very simple. Just put it on the table will be okay. Okay, now let's check the effect. And then let's put some candle on the middle of 2 flowers will be okay. And then let's put on some candle. Okay, let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. Do you like it? In fact, if we check it from darker environment, the come out will be much more pretty. But anyway, and this is my working table. If you put it on the longer table to using more candle and more flower ball, the come out will be much more pretty. And also, if you put this setting on the middle of the table as the table runner setting, that will be a very pretty idea also. And this idea will be suitable for the head table. Okay, look, let's check it from darker environment. In fact, the come out will be much more colorful, much more pink, much more bright than what you watch from the screen. My phone cannot catch the real effect. It will be much more pretty in reality. I turn on the light. And for your information, we supply almost all the material used on our video. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page or check the material price and other detail by visiting my blog. You can find all the links to my Facebook page and my blog from the information field below this video. Please do me a favor by do not skip the advertisement when you're watching this video, because I need the revenue to buy more material and take more video. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.